I am Akko WTI.
If you're looking for underlayment, check this out by FLOORLOT. This is the GoldMax Premium Flooring Underlayment. This product works well with hardwood flooring, engineered hardwood flooring, and laminate flooring. Me and my husband decided to install ourselves some floating engineered hardwood floors. And this underlayment was awesome for beginners, but is a really quality product as well. Each roll came with 200 square foot per roll. We were installing on a slab foundation, so it was really important to us that there was a moisture barrier. And this gold you're seeing is an excellent moisture barrier that is on top of the foam. So no need for an extra moisture barrier. This is built into the underlayment. It is really easy to attach two rolls together as well. Each roll has a tape that is covered by paper, so you simply just remove the paper, and then also there is a moisture barrier for the seam, so you just fold that over. And if you make a mistake, that is not a problem. It can easily be adjusted and it does not ruin the underlayment. That was really impressive to me, that even if you made mistakes, not a problem, is very easy to correct. Seaming two rolls together was a really easy process because of this built-in tape. The underlayment has a 3mm thick foam back too, so it's really providing cushion for your flooring. That was really important to me as this was going to be installed on a slab foundation. Now that my floors have been installed, I can tell that this underlayment is providing noise reduction as well. I am 100% pleased with this underlayment and I highly recommend.
And that's my point of view.